Mattress steam cleaning. Mistakes to avoid. Are you looking forward to steam clean the mattresses of your Melbourne home? Well, you need to avoid certain mistakes that people make. That's why hire a professional steam cleaning service in Melbourne for cleaning mattresses. But at first, you need to be aware of the mistakes. Using water for mattress cleaning. Beating the mattress. Using multi-purpose vacuum cleaners. Not following manufacturer's guidelines. Do not commit these mistakes while cleaning mattresses. They will turn your cleaning efforts fruitless. So it's best to hire professional steam cleaners in Melbourne. Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is the best name to hire. Awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaning Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.